What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't done it yet, please like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications because all of these are time sensitive. Anyways, let's go into Chromia because Chromia has my undivided attention. As we can start plotting this out, we do have certain levels of support and resistance based off the weekly. So we have our macros right there, and then we can look at right at this level here. So we have a nice little macro levels based off the weekly that we should be looking at. Let's go down to the daily. Check out the daily. You do see this absolutely gorgeous falling wedge pattern in which I do believe it's getting ready to break out. So just take our trend line right here. So you can see we have an anchor at top. One, two. This is our third touch. We're currently fighting against resistance right now. So this is actually why I'm making this video, because if this thing actually does start to take off, we are looking at massive upside potential. And I'm sure everybody appreciates finding these tokens before they blast off to the upside. Anyways, just like any other falling wedge, we take the thickest part of the wedge, we bring it out to the point in which the breakout should happen, and we are looking at a possibility of 115% upside potential. Now, on the daily time frame, we are in overbought territory, but as we know with these altcoins, they can stay overbought for a week, maybe even two. They can stay overbought for a while. So we don't have to worry that much about that unless Bitcoin starts to roll over. So keep that in mind with all of your trades. But let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, this is actually why we need to stare at this chart and watch for the breakout. It is definitely on breakout watch. So looking at previous levels that it was finding resistance, finding bids, finding anything. Let's go ahead and plot that out. You have this here as well as this right here. So we have a nice little range of support right below us. You can see right now we bounced off it once, bounced off it twice. Let's make it a little bigger so you can see it. But you can see we are consolidating in this little range right here based off the price action we had back here, all the way back here, based off this low from September 21st, 2022. So you can see that has been a nice little range of either support or resistance. Currently we are trying to utilize it as support. So if we do manage to get that breakout to the upside, we will be looking to start making our way up. You do have a little bit of overhead resistance, so wouldn't be surprising if you saw some traders who got in down here, plan on taking profits here. You want to see that successful back test, and then we can have our fun to the upside. Anyways, let's go ahead and look at the 1-hour time frame. So on the 1 hour, this paints a very interesting picture. We have just been, as I said, consolidating. However, we tried to break out once and rejected. Now this is the interesting part, because you can see off this hard rejection, we held it. Came up, held it. So the sellers are there. They're trying their desperate chances at pushing this price down, but they're kind of failing at the moment. So if we look at our MACD, you can see the amount of selling pressure from this point to this point has gotten greatly increased, but you can also see the money flow has increased as well. So that's actually something we really wanted to see, which is kind of nice. But if we did lose this level, we would be looking for support right down here at 13 cents. Anyways, if we're going to look at a short-term target, we would be looking to do something kind of like this. Something sort of like that. Nice little consolidation. And you would take the length of this to here, bring it right outside, which then would have you break above resistance. Your target would actually be at 15.84. So that would be a target in which some people would want to take profit and wait for a formal back test. Just something to keep in mind. But I believe If the market continues to rally, Chromia. Chromia is getting ready to make a move. Getting ready to paint some green candles, which would be very nice. Anyways, hopefully this helps you. Don't take this as financial advice. This is just me checking out the charts and making my trading decisions based off what I see. Currently, I'm guessing Bitcoin's pulling back a little because we can see on the chart we are pulling down in price. We just want to maintain this level of support. That's it. I don't think it's too much to ask. Anyways, hopefully this helps. Have a great day. Take it easy.